Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial where we'll explain you how you can add embed form Klaviyo, so let's get started. First, log into your Klaviyo account and go to your homepage. From there, head over to the Sign Up Forms section. You'll see a button that says Create Form, click on that, and you'll be taken to a page where you can choose from a range of form templates. Pick the one that fits your needs and start customizing it. You can adjust the text, change the colors, update the background, whatever you want to match your brand. Once your form is ready, click the Publish button. Klaviyo will then ask how you want to integrate the form with your site. Choose the option to integrate with a platform and select Shopify. You'll be asked to enter your Shopify store URL. To get that, just head over to your Shopify admin, copy the full link to your store, and paste it into Klaviyo. After that, click Connect to Shopify, and that's it. Your Klaviyo form will now be linked to your Shopify store and live on your site. You're ready to start collecting subscribers and growing your list.